Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rotate a text box in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I'll rotate this text box. Simply click on this home option and this selection menu, click on this drop down arrow and select annotation. Now click on this text box and select, and this rotation icon showing here. You can rotate this text box this way and say this. Also I rotate this text box this way and say this. In this way you can rotate a specific text box or all of this text box. Drag your mouse cursor, select all of these text boxes, and this is in this way you can rotate a text boxes. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.